see. But today I decided to show you guys a meth head look, like a drug head type of thing. I really don't call it, but there's a lot of people that go around that struggle through these types of things, and it's like kind of sad. But like today I would like to show you how to do this look for Halloween or like, you know, just something to do for a YouTube video, I guess. But it is no joking matter. If you do struggle through these things, please seek help. It's not good for you. It can ruin who you are as a person. And it can ruin a bunch of relationships. Being friends, family, people you know. I mean, it's just not fun. I have no idea what it looked like. No clue. So, what? I feel like you can't see me. I don't even know where I am right now. So this is the palette I am using. It is just face paint. It comes with a white, a purple, a red, and a black. It comes with this really jacked up paintbrush, but it works type of thing. And it comes with a sponge, which I've already used already. And it comes with this, it looks black maybe? It's like a black eyeliner pencil type of thing. And then I have some water to make it activated, even though face paint's not really needed with water, I don't think. But I cannot see what I look like, so let's go ahead and get this started. Okay. Jesus. Okay, and that is the final look, guys. I feel like I did a great job. I added a few more other things, like my nose is more red, like I have more discoloration in my skin, because I feel like that's what it would be like. And I actually know someone who's on drugs, and I wish they would stop, but they like don't listen at all. So I know how it feels to have someone who's just so crazily addicted, who's like, why? It's just killing you. That's all it is. It's just killing you. It kills relationships, it kills family, it kills friends. Like, it kills relationships in general. So, if you are addicted, please seek help. Thank you for liking and commenting on this video, and I will make more videos later. Deuces. See you on the flip side.